Welcome to our Spike Prime tutorial series. In this video, we'll dive into the basics of block-based programming using the Spike Prime app. Let's get started and make our robot move. First, we'll explore the main sections of the Spike Prime app. On the left, you'll find the project library, where all your projects are stored. And on the left, right above the project library, is the build library, where you'll find instructions on how to build different robots. Above that are different lessons and plans for the Spike Prime. Now, we'll create a new project. Click on the New Project button and choose a name for your project. Let's call it My First Program. The center workspace is where you'll build programs using blocks. Now let's start building our program. We'll begin with a simple task, making our robot move forward. But first, to start programming, we need to connect the Spike Prime hub to the app. Make sure your hub is powered on and Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Then click the Connect button in the connection panel. From the movement blocks, drag and drop the Set Motors to blank. For my robot specifically, the two motors that make the robot move are connected to the C and D ports on the hub, so that's what I'll set them to. But this could be different for yours, so double check first. Now we're gonna go into the extensions library. Here you'll find a variety of different block sections that could be helpful for whatever project you're working on. But right now we just need more movement blocks. So just really quickly, I wanted to mention that over 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you like the content that you see, please consider subscribing. So select that one and go back into your program. Here, we'll drag and drop the Start Moving at Speed block into the workspace. To customize the movement, click on the preset speed within the block. Here, we can adjust the speed. Let's set the speed to 20% for both motors. To set the duration, we have to go into the control panel. Here, we'll drag out the wait 1 second block and change it to 5 seconds. To ensure our robot stops after moving, drag the Stop Moving block into the workspace and place it after the wait 5 seconds block. With our blocks in place, we're ready to run the program. Click the Start button to watch your robot come to life. Now it's your turn to add more actions. Try experimenting with additional blocks like the turning or using sensors. The possibilities are endless. For example, adding a turn right block. Don't forget to save your project. Saving allows you to return and refine your project anytime. Congratulations on completing your first program. Explore more blocks and create even more exciting projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with our next posts. Stay tuned for more exciting Spike Prime tutorials.